is winter time now, so I'm gonna put on my diffuser or my humidifier. This is a new model. I don't really like it, but it shall do. So first things first, I need to put water in here. I think I should take Trey downstairs into the garage so I can play with the ball in there. And then she heard. And then you can teach up here. Okay, what is this?
Hey, princess, watch out. Princess, watch out. He's my...
Excuse my dirty mirror. Need to clean this weekend, but I just got the Sweet Sweat and I've been using it, and look at the sweat. Look at the sweat. Guys, I do not sweat easily at all. But I can't wait to take this off and then see how it looks, because I'm probably going to be disgusted. But if it gets rid of the fat, why not?